Hello. Today we're going to read about benzene in organic chemistry. The structure of benzene. Benzene is a colorless compound with a melting point of 6 Celsius and a boiling point of 80 Celsius. It was first isolated by Michael Faraday in 1825 from the oily residue that collected in the illuminating gas lines of London. Benzene's molecular formula C6H6 suggests a high degree of unsaturation. For comparison, an alkyne of 6 carbons has a molecular formula of C6H14 and a cycloalkane okay. Let me start over. Benzene's, an alkane of 6 carbons, has benzene's molecular formula C6H6 suggests a high degree of unsaturation. For comparison, an alkane of 6 carbons has a molecular formula of C6H14 and a cycloalkane of 6 carbon atoms has a molecular formula of C6H12. Considering benzene's high degree of unsaturation, you might expect it to show reactions characteristics of alkynes. Surprisingly, benzene does not undergo addition, oxidation, and reduction reactions characteristics of alkenes. It does not react with hydrogen bromide, bromine, or other reagents that usually add to carbon-carbon double bonds. Okay, give me a moment. Let me sink that in. Honestly, what I'm thinking of is pool chemicals. Okay. The term aromatic compound was used to classify benzene and its derivatives because many of them have distinctive odors. It became clear, however, that a sounder classification for these compounds should be based on structure and chemical reactivity, not aroma. The term aromatic has been retained but now refers to the fact that these compounds are highly unsaturated and unexpectedly stable towards regions that attack pi bonds. Pi. The term arene, A-R-E-N-E, is used to describe aromatic hydrocarbons by analogy. with alkane and alkane, alkane and alkene. Benzene is the parent arene, just as a group derived by removal of an H from an alkane is called an alkyl group, and given the symbol R, a group derived by removal of an H from an arene is called an aryl group, and given the symbol AR. I'm scanning ahead and I do see stuff that talks about chloride. So, something in there. Okay. Okay, that's all for today. Chemistry lesson 101. O-chem, organic chemistry. I'm not that great in it. So hence, if I keep learning it and see where it goes. If you learn something new every day, it tends to come back later and you relearn it again, or it sticks into your brain. I don't know. Like learning a new word every day, but with organic chemistry and apply it to daily life. It's interesting to me. All right, have a good day. Bye.